And how are you today? That's good to hear. Are you hungry? Okay, and see, you can eat later. Okay, now I have here a different picture. Could you tell me what's this? See, this is uh, what's this? Panda. See, it's panda. Okay, what's this? Very good. What's this? It's a tree. What's this? A heart. Very good. You got it all right. Give me a high five. Next. How are you today? I'm thirsty. How are you today? I'm cold. How are you today? How are you today? I'm sad. Who's this? This is okay. Who is she? Who is this? This is my sister. Who is this? Who is this? Okay, nice. What says book? Book. Okay. What says book? Okay. Book. Book. Box. Book. Nice. Now, which one is put away? Say put away. Say put away. Put away. Nice. Which one is put down? Put down. Down. Okay, very good. Say put down. Which one is fly? Okay, very good. Say fly. Which one is get in bed? Okay, get in bed. Which one is kiss mommy? Okay, kiss mommy. Which one is say good night? Okay, say good night. Very good. That's all for your speaking lesson. You did a great job. Give it to my first, please. Okay, goodbye.